Proud to introduce to you officially Mr. and Mrs. Danilo and Jerica Sigobiense. A round of applause for our newlyweds. Yan, masigabang palakpakan. Kaway-kaway. At habang kumakaway-kumaw palakpak. So, as our tradition dictates, our newlyweds will be offered sweets by a role model couple. At ang gagawa ng pag-offer ng sweets ay sila Mr. Odencio and ang kanyang minamahal na asawa si Mrs. Winnie Delando from Libon, Albay. Okay. So once again, a round of applause for the newlyweds. And now, may I request our operator to change the music into TikTok para mapasayaw natin si Ninong and Dina. Ayan. So, tawagin ko po ang mga tao na napakahalaga sa okasyong ito. Walang iba kung hindi ang mga magulang ng bagong kasal at siyempre pa ang ating mga Ninong and Dina at ang mga secondary sponsors and mga winners. So, unahin ko po na ipakilala sa inyo ang mga pares ng Ninong at Ninang, sina Ninong Edgardo Calios and Ninang Rachel Bonsol. Palakpakan po natin. Ayan. May pasayaw pa tayo, Ninong and Ninang. Pwede ba? Wow! Ayan. Thank you, Ninong and Ninang. And of course, the next player is Ninong Alfred Linganay and Ninang Lynn Tagra. Ayan. So, hindi sila sasayaw kung wala tayo palakpakan. Siyempre pa. O, Ninang, antayin mo si Ninong. Yan. Sa mga naka-FB Live dyan, sa mga viewers ninyo, shoutout po. Wedding day po na Segobiense and Luna family. And of course, the next player is Ninong Daniel Serrano and Ninang Lynn Tagra. Parang nagkamali ata ako. Ayun na pala. Ninong Daniel Serrano and Ninang Marites Villen. Sorry, Ninang. Nagkamali ang host. Yan, nakatawad si Ninang. Thank you very much, Ninong and Ninang. And of course, in behalf of Ninong Alan, I am proud to present to you Ninong Alex Imperial and Ninang Annabel Campos. Palakpakan naman dyan. Yan. Alam ko, magaling itong sumayaw si Manuel Alex. Okay, thank you. And of course, Ninong Jose Campi Jr. and Ninang Merla Aperin. Ay, siya, Ginidor. Yan. Okay, next. Siyempre, tawagin ko yung mga host for today's occasion. Mr. Danilo Sigobiense and Mrs. Nelly Sigobiense. Sila po yung parents sa ating group. Yeah. And now, I am proud to present to you, ngayon po lang sila na-met, yung bride's parent, Mr. and Mrs. Jerry Luna and Mercy Luna. Ayan. Sa mga surfers po natin, yan sa section, pakituro po yung kanilang buhay. And now, the little hands that share their precious time with the couple, the bearers and the flower girls. Let's start with the ring bearer, Daniel Segobiense. Ayan, paki-assist na po. Ang coin bearer natin is Shernan Segobiense. And ang veil bearer is Ace Segobiense. And syempre kasama nila yung mga flower girls na sina Alaina Faye Segobiense, Mia Sofia Bristol, and Yasmin P. Coral. Para kapag naman natin yung mga kids. Ayan. Next is mag-tiktok dyan, Mami Sir. Mahiyain. Okay. And next, so kayo na tayo Nuts with the Love. The court sponsors, Mr. Mark Anthony Bernaldez and Miss Mary Grace Brestol. Ayan. O, salubungin natin ang masigabong palakpakan kasi magaling sumayaw si Ma'am. And now, the young men and women who assisted the couple, the groomsmen and the bridesmaid, Mr. John R.J. Tanon and Miss Geraldine Luna, followed by Mr. John R. Disuyo and Angela May Sigobiense, and of course, Mr. Christopher Sigobiense and Crystalline Bernaldez. Next is the entrance of our best man and maid of honor who assisted the couple, and there is our best man, ang poging-poging si Mr. Daniel Segobiense, and of course, ang ating napagagandang maid of honor, Miss Georgie Luna. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.